What's up, you guys? Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes here on another new construction video. And this one is the Overlook at Lanier. Yes, this is in Buford, and it is great because you got awesome schools all ranked 8 out of 10 for both elementary and middle school, as well as high school. So you got to check them out. And these homes you can see behind me are big. These are, you can find them up to 4,000 to 4,500 square feet. The model home, which we'll take a look at in a second, has got 4,100 square feet, and it's the Easton floor plan. And these are priced around the mid 700,000 range, goes up all the way to 850,000, depending on the upgrades that are in the house, as well as the lot premium and the square footage of the floor plan and everything. So you guys check it out. Stay tuned till the end. You're gonna like the model home a lot.
Hey guys, Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes here, and here it is, Overlook at Lanier, the new construction community built by Taylor Morrison here in Buford, Georgia, and it's a hot one. They've got a total of 46 lots, and 20 of them already went under contract, and to be honest, I'm surprised at how fast they've gone under contract as they broke ground back in around February. But then, after further investigation, I started to realize, that's why. The reason why is because two things. One, you got great schools. They're all pretty much 8 out of 10. It's White Oak Elementary, Lanier Middle, and Lanier High School. And the second reason is most of the new construction being built in and around Gwinnett County has been mostly around the 3,000 to 3,500 square foot range. There are some families that are very big in size that need a bigger home than even that. And there just isn't much available in Gwinnett County for a square footage that's more than 3,500. We'll look no further because Overlook at Lanier has that. You've got floor plans that are in the 4,000 to 4,300 square foot range, and so these are very attractive for families who are big as well as in need of good schools. Like I said, there are still 20 lots available out of 46, and there are some awesome floor plans such as the Stockbridge, the Aiken, and the Easton. And you're gonna see again, like I mentioned earlier in the video, that the Easton is the new model home that we're gonna take a look at the end of this video. So you'll have to check it out. As far as securing a contract, basically the earnest money deposit and the signing of a contract will lock you in. And the pricing here is anywhere from $748,450, which is the Aiken floor plan at home site 4. It's got a loft on the upper level of the home, and then it goes all the way up to $855,560 for lot 21, the Easton floor plan. There are definitely a lot of nice homes in this community. If you know about Taylor Morrison, they're a national builder and they have a very strong presence here in Metro Atlanta. It's one of the builders that I recommend too because they have good quality product versus some of the others. And you have options to choose your design options, whereas some other builders, they don't let you. You can see that they've got brick fronts as well, and they got cement siding on the sides, but some of them have options for brick on the sides as well. And they've got different elevations that are very attractive, pretty big lot sizes, about 0.3 acres. And if you got a big backyard, you can always build a fence with HOA approval. And you've got plenty of options as far as upgrades for the interior, which amounts to about an average of about $30,000 from the past buyers who have bought. That's about how much they have spent in addition to the base price to get the upgrades that they want on the inside of the home. So if you're interested, be sure to give me a call because I work with people who are looking to buy new construction, not just resell. I would like to represent you as a client. So if you're interested, give me a call. I can schedule an appointment for you on your behalf, be able to show you some of these floor plans. And if you're out of state, as I help a lot of clients move here from out of state, I can do video tours of the homes for you as well. So anything to make this process smooth, I'm here for you. And be sure to check out my part 1 and part 2 of how to buy a new construction home in Georgia. I go over the step-by-step process, very thorough, very detailed. You don't want to miss them if you're wondering how to buy a new construction home, as the process is quite a bit different and more complex than that of a resale. So anyway, hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for this awesome model home tour.